Hey folks, Mike here from Ollie, and yesterday we finally released the much anticipated Ollie Pro 2.0 update, which brings an incredible and intuitive site wizard and onboarding experience. And the reception so far has been incredible. People are really excited about this, and they feel like it's something that's been missing from their workflow for WordPress and full site editing for some time. So we're happy it's out there. And I wanted to kind of highlight something about the Ollie Pro 2.0 release that wasn't super obvious, but ever since we started working on Ollie, and this was 2 years ago at this point, we wanted this kind of onboarding experience into WordPress and into using block themes and full site editing. We wanted that to be available for all of our Ollie users, not just paid members. But because of the way we ended up releasing it, it ended up on a truncated kind of timeline. We ended up having to pull that back, and it's since been in the Ollie Pro plugin, which is only for members. So it's a paid solution. So during the Ollie Pro 2.0 work that was being done, we took the opportunity to kind of rewire it. And now we're able to release Ollie Pro for anyone to download, any Ollie user. It only works with the Ollie theme, but all Ollie users can now download this onboarding experience and use it, the free kind of features in it, to use this awesome site wizard, onboarding wizard, and set up their site super quickly. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to do that. I'm here on the Ollie site, olliewp.com, and we've got a new site. We've got some new pages here, and I've kind of reworked it to kind of fit all of this new stuff in. But if you go to the Getting Started page and you scroll down, there's a step-by-step how to get started with Ollie. And in the second step, you'll see there's an Install Ollie Pro step. It gives you some instructions with a link to download the zip file. You can see I just downloaded that. And now I can just come in here into my WordPress site, upload plugin, choose file, Ollie Pro, install, activate. And you'll see here we get a warning, the Ollie Pro plugin needs the Ollie theme. We'll turn that, install, activate. And just like that, without signing into Ollie Pro or being a member, you can see we get the Ollie Pro pop-up wizard. And let's go ahead and view the dashboard. And now we're looking at Ollie Pro 2.0. So I won't go into super in-depth into this because we have some other videos in our feed about this where I highlight these features in detail. But you can see here, I can come into the site setup wizard and I can get started. And I am in this new setup wizard experience. I didn't have to sign in, and this is available to me. Let's just go ahead real quick and run through a few of these things. And so here's the kind of the difference between the free version of Ollie Pro and the paid version is that in the free version, you can install these pages, create these pages that come with the Ollie theme. And for pro users, they get to unlock all of these awesome page designs that we have alongside Ollie Pro. So you really can kind of create a lot more landing pages, full websites with these extra pattern packages. But being able to install and create these pages inside of the site setup wizard is also super helpful and makes setting up your site super fast. Let's go ahead and set up our page real quick, our home page that we just created. You can see how quickly I just created a full page design. We can create a blog page here. It looks like I didn't create one, so let's go ahead and create a blog page. And then we can continue customizing our site using the color palettes. We'll come in here, we'll choose a cool different font. That one looks kind of cool. And yeah, so we can continue to customize our site through the site setup wizard. Again, check out the videos we made on that. But I just wanted to highlight that this is now available for all Ollie users. And we hope this kind of helps people get started with block themes and building with patterns and customizing their sites and getting that first hour, 2 hours of site setup out the door and getting to the cool part of creating your site live in the site editor. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Check out olliewp.com and check out the Getting Started page to download Ollie Pro today and start working with it. All right, folks, see you later.